The question we are going to discuss today is describe an emergency source of electrical power using a diesel engine alternator with particular attention to location, starting arrangements, the load they can supply and duration, the care and tests required to ensure reliable operation. Location. Emergency generator must be located above the uppermost continuous deck, readily accessible from the open deck, not forward of the collision bulkhead, and not in the same compartment as the main source of power. Emergency switchboard should be in same space where the emergency generator is located. Starting arrangement. As per SOLAS regulation, emergency generator sets must be capable of being readily started in their cold condition at a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. If lower temperature are expected or starting in the cold condition is impractical, heating arrangement must be provided to ensure ready starting. Emergency generating sets arranged for automatic starting must be equipped with starting devices approved by the administration. The starting devices should have stored energy, battery, air start, hydraulic accumulator, capability of at least 3 consecutive starts. A second source of energy is required for an additional 3 starts within 30 minutes unless manual starting is demonstrated to be effective. All starting, charging and energy storing devices must be located in the emergency generator space and should only be used for operation of the emergency generating set. The loads they can supply and duration. Equipment using 440 volt, engine room fan, emergency air compressor, emergency fire pump, 1 steering gear motor, rescue boat winch, life boat winch, marine diesel oil pump starter, hypermesh system, CO2 room, exhaust fan starter, emergency generator room fan, emergency equipment using 220 volt, battery charger, water preheater for emergency generating cooling, navigation lights, signal lights, engine room accommodation and bridge emergency light, navigation equipment, communication equipment, AMS, computer in ECR, fire detection and alarm system, emergency battery and a lot of other equipments. It must be capable of supplying load for 18 hours on a cargo vessel and 36 hours on a passenger vessel. The care and tests required to ensure reliable operation. Testing procedure for battery start. Change over the control switch from auto to manual. Press and hold start button. Emergency generator will start, let it run for some time. Observe all parameters. Press stop button. Change back the control from manual to auto. Procedure for hydraulic start. Change over the control from auto to manual. Pump the hydraulic oil using hand pump until the pressure gauge reads 300 bars. Now press the starting lever or relay lever in one motion. Emergency generator will start. Observe all the parameters. Let the engine run for some time. Put out the fuel oil linkage and the generator will stop. Change back the control from manual to auto.